So today we're diving into translational medicine, basically how discoveries in the lab actually make it to patients. It sounds straightforward, but the path is anything but.
Yeah, and honestly, that bench-to-bedside journey, it can take over a decade. Sometimes even promising lab results never see the light of day in hospitals.
Exactly. One big reason is the complexity of human biology. What works in mice doesn't always work in humans. There's no control plus C, control plus V in medicine.
Right? And the regulatory hurdles add another layer. Clinical trials are expensive, long, and come with strict protocols. It's science, law, and logistics all rolled into one.
But when it works, it's powerful. Take mRNA vaccines developed from decades of basic research and finally applied during COVID. That's translational medicine at full throttle.
That's a perfect example. But it also raises the question, why can't we do this faster and more often? Is it funding? Infrastructure?
A bit of everything, honestly. Academic labs usually stop at discovery. To move forward, you need partnerships. Biotech companies, pharma, government grants. It's a relay race, not a sprint.
And sometimes the baton just drops. Lack of communication between researchers and clinicians is a killer. They speak different languages, so the ideas don't always translate.
That's where interdisciplinary teams come in. Doctors, researchers, data scientists, like putting different puzzle pieces together to actually see the whole picture.
And don't forget patients. Their input is crucial, especially in designing trials or assessing real-world impact. Translational medicine isn't just top-down.
Totally. In fact, patient-centric trials are gaining traction. They help make research more relevant and increase the chances of adoption in clinical settings.
But even then, scalability remains a challenge. A therapy might work in a small trial, but fail when rolled out broadly. The devil's in the details.
Which is why data is key. Real-world evidence, electronic health records, even AI-driven pattern recognition, these tools are helping close that gap.
It's like building a bridge that constantly needs reinforcing. But every successful case pushes the entire field forward. It's progress in layers.
And each layer builds trust, which is huge, among patients, providers, regulators. Without that, even the best science hits a wall.
So here's the question. If translational medicine is so essential, should we rethink how we train scientists and clinicians? Maybe blend those roles more?
That's already happening in MD-PhD programs and translational research centers. But we've got a long way to go before it becomes the norm.
Well, it's a field that's still evolving. Messy, frustrating, but also incredibly exciting. Because when it works, it changes lives.
Absolutely. Maybe the real takeaway is this. Translational medicine isn't a destination. It's a moving target, and we need everyone aiming at it together.